Synthesia AI tutorial. Hey everyone and welcome to this tutorial on Synthesia AI, a powerful tool for creating videos with AI generated avatars. Whether you want to make professional looking videos or just have fun with virtual presenters, Synthesia has you covered, so let's get started. Go to the Synthesia AI website and sign up for an account. Once you've signed up, log into your account to access your dashboard. From the dashboard, click on Create New Video to start a new project. You'll be prompted to choose a template or start from scratch. Select an AI avatar that will present your video. Synthesia offers a variety of avatars, each with its own unique look and style, so choose the one that best fits your video's tone and purpose. Enter the script or text that you want the avatar to speak in the video. You can type or paste your script into the text box provided. Make sure your script is clear and concise for the best results. Add any necessary elements to your video such as background images, logos or other media. Customize the layout and design to suit your needs. You can also adjust the language and accent of the avatar if available. Before finalizing, preview your video to ensure everything looks and sounds right. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click on Generate Video, and Synthesia will process your request and create the final video. You'll be able to download the video file after a few minutes. You can now share your video or do whatever you like with it. And that's it. You successfully created a video using Synthesia AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.